FlexBench tool tray comes with alignment holes on the cams. Align those cams with the sides on the tool tray using a drill bit or a pin smaller than 1/16 inch in diameter. Once you've aligned those up, you'll be able to use the knobs and tighten those cams onto the sides. Those knobs will allow you to adjust the height of your tool tray depending upon the tool and saw that you are using. Cut a spacer that is the height of your saw or tool. That spacer will allow you to adjust the height of your tool tray to line up perfectly with the top of the FlexBench. Once you have it lined up perfectly, you will secure it in place with 2 screws on each side. Those 2 screws will lock everything together. Put your saw on or your tool, and it should be level with the top of the workbench surface on both sides. If you ordered an aluminum best fence or a wooden best fence, those will come with the appropriate supports. The supports that go onto the tool tray do not have a hook. They use knobs that you can adjust up and down accordingly to make sure that your fence is lined up perfectly with either your tool or your saw. Keep adjusting the support until you have the fence aligned with your tool so it is flush with the top. Once it is aligned, you can secure it in place with pins. Now, you are also provided with 2 spacers. Those spacers will take up the thickness of any of the 5/8 or 15 millimeter pieces that you use around the workbench. These spacers are provided in case you are using one of the pieces somewhere and you need to make up the difference. Otherwise, that bolt on the knob will go through and could potentially puncture or scratch the surface of something that you're working on.